Blessings, blessings, blessing everyone. Blessings from Eat Good TV. Scissoring, savoring. Little is much with all in it. Today we are making Escovitched fish. Let's begin. Let me introduce all the ingredients to you. We have fish seasoning, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, onion powder, and black pepper. We have here, we call it chocho, but I think the right word for it is chayote. Bell peppers, onion, and carrots, and 2 tablespoons of sugar, white sugar. And we have 2 fish, the star of the show. So I'm gonna get this out the way, put it in the bowl. So that's all our veggie. We have the allspice. This is pimento, and this is vinegar to make the sauce, to make the Escovitch sauce, and pepper. So all these are for the Escovitch sauce. Let me rest them here. Then I'm gonna season the fish. So I'm gonna rub it in. I'm gonna mix in this all the seasons together. Then I'm gonna put it inside the fish. Make sure it's seasoned well. And we like the head of the fish to be on and well seasoned inside, because some people eat the fish head. So this is how it looks. And on the outside, I just use the fork to bore the outside of the fish. This is how I use the fork, just to bore it. So the seasoning will go through the fish when you boil the fish. It goes straight through. So on the outside, you're gonna rub your spices on the outside. So it's spices in and spices out. You just pour the fish, and the spices will go through. And hope everyone out there is doing okay. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for all my upcoming video. Just share, and tell your friend about my new channel. And these are all good to go. Everything is nice and seasoned and ready for the pot, ready for the hot oil. Okay, and I just save these for the veggie. Just put some more on the veggie when the veggie goes in the pot to make that beautiful Escovitch sauce. That's great. I'm just gonna drop the onion in the pot. Onion and scallion and garlic. It's just for to flavor the oil, to fry the fish. After they fry up, I'm going to take them out. It's just flavoring the oil for to fry the fish. And this is the fish right here. Now that the oil is all flavor for the fish, I'm going to remove the onion and the scallion and the garlic from the pot. All that flavor in the oil. When you fry the fish, it's delicious. Remove everything from the pot. I'm just gonna place the fish in the pot. And let it fry. So when I'm turning it, when it's have to be golden on one side, then I flip it over. I show you when I flip it over. I'm gonna just flip it on one side, flip it on this side. That side is done, and I'm gonna flip it on this side. Looking good and smelling up the place. The fish is smelling up the place. This Escovitch fish is gonna be good. It's smelling up the place. Smelling up the place, people. Smelling it up the plate. It's nice, nice. Put some of the oil in the pot to saute the vegetable. So I'm gonna saute the vegetable now. And I had seasoned the vegetable before, so I don't have to put any seasoning on it. When I season the fish, I season the vegetable. And after the vegetable is sauteed, I'm gonna add a part of vinegar to 1 part of water. But let me saute the vegetable a little first. You know, getting all that flavor, all that seasoning, and in the oil, all the garlic and onion from the oil. So you want all those in your veggies. That's all the flavor from the fish. So this is gonna saute for about 4 minutes. That the vegetable is sauteed, I'm just gonna add a part of water and a part of vinegar. Same amount of water should be same amount of vinegar. But I'm not gonna put the sugar, but this is 2 tablespoons of sugar, but I'm not gonna put the sugar in. And this is scotch bonnet pepper. I just put a small piece in to make the sauce. And this is pimento. I put 1 dozen pimento grain. Pimento grain allspice. So I put that in and let it stay there for a few minutes. Finish, I put the fish on top of the vegetable, and I'm gonna pour all the juice on top of the fish, and it goes straight through the fish. And it preserves the fish. The vinegar preserve the fish, so you don't have to even put the fish in the fridge for a couple of days. It preserves it. So all the juice go on the both fish, and it go through the fish to go on the other side of the fish. Now that the fish is all fried up, bye for now. See you in my next video. Share, 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 share. Love you. Bye-bye.